Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to create a sticker on WhatsApp without using any third-party app. Here's how to do it. Open your WhatsApp app. Now click on the sticker icon. Click on create at the left. It's going to take you to your gallery. Mind you can use a video or picture if you want. I'm going to use a picture as an example in this video. Click a picture or video you want to use as your sticker. And you have two options to crop out the body or leave it the way it is. I'm going to crop it out. I'll click on send. From here, you can now click on the sticker and add to your favorite. When you go to your sticker collections, you will see it there. So that's how you create a sticker on WhatsApp without using any third-party app. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.